And here's I will show you how to change or update your Bluesky account password. Go ahead and open Bluesky, and now from Bluesky homepage tap on this hamburger menu. In here tap on settings. Under settings select account, and here tap on password. Now before changing your password, you have to verify your Bluesky account email address. So tap on request code. And now go to your Gmail and open the email. And here you will find this password reset request mail. Just open it. And here copy this reset password verification code just like so. Go back to your Bluesky. In this reset code field, paste the verification code. And now in this password box, go ahead and add here your new password for your Bluesky account. And then tap on next. And that's it. Here as you can see, I've successfully changed my Bluesky account password. Thanks for watching.